Out for a nice ride on a Saturday afternoon on a long weekend, testing out my new audio setup. It's actually not brand new. The only thing that's brand new is the Sena GoPro backpack. The GoPro I bought secondhand because the GoPro backpack will only work on the GoPro Hero 3 and 4. Currently, only thing that's available is GoPro 5 and 6 and so on. And it's quite difficult finding a GoPro Hero 4, a brand new one. So I bought this one second-hand with the view to getting decent audio with the Sena backpack. Previously I used my TomTom Bandit action camera, still use it now. It's still on my helmet, it's facing backwards now, covering the rear, and just had a lot of issues with audio. The Bandit does have a microphone cable, but it's a finicky cable. It's got little tabs that tend to break off, and then it's useless, and you need to buy that proprietary cable, which really sucks. So I had a nice long hard think, and I thought, okay, let's do the Sena GoPro backpack. But for that I needed a GoPro, and I needed a GoPro 3 or a 4. Finding that brand new, quite difficult, so I bought a second-hand one, ordered my Sena GoPro backpack, put it on, and paired it up with my Sena headset. I've got the GoPro backpack hooked up to my Sena to record wireless Bluetooth audio. Let's go past this dude now. And let's see how the audio holds up. Doing 120 k's an hour, just about, just under it. And then my voice recorder is underneath the seat, recording the engine audio. Look at this little springbuck. So I will see how that audio shapes up. If everything works, I'll be very happy. Then this will be my new motovlogging setup. Speaking of motovlogs, I don't make motovlogs for anyone else except myself. It's a little snapshot in time of what I was thinking, what I was feeling at a certain time in my life. I did exactly the same when I used to be a radio DJ back in the day. 8 years ago I hung up my headphones and I said, that's it, had enough. Till next time, keep the rubber on the road, take care of yourselves and your mothers.